How to add Snapchat story from gallery. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Let's just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you are here, let's scroll up to access this section right here, in which you will find a lot of options here. So go ahead and click on camera roll, which will bring you to your gallery. And here on this page, just go ahead and pick a photo or video. I'm just going to use this one. And after that, you will get to this page, which you can edit your story. And at the bottom, you will see an option to add to your story. You can either click on it or you can click on send to continue. And here you will have the option right here, as you can see in the stories section, to add your story to a friends only or everyone if you have public profile. So once you have picked your option that suits you the best, you can just click on send to continue. And as you can see, the picture has been added to your story from your gallery. Let's go back and maybe navigate to our profile to check it. So as you can see here, it has been added to the story. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add stories to Snapchat from your mobile device gallery. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.